Okay, I'm here. Eye of the tiger, and I gotta go touch the bird, the dead bird. See the shovel back there? No, you can't see past my big fat head. Okay, I'm outside. I'm doing this for Monkey. I have some gear I need to be able to do this. Let's walk over to my husband's car. If you get any wide angle shots of my ass and you laugh at me, I'm gonna come through this. Okay, I have some gear. I don't need to be getting the West now. It's not working for me. I'm obviously dyslexic. There we go. Okay. I don't want any splatters. Oh God, that's my cat. Can you hear it? Okay. All right, I need some gloves. Oh God. I can't breathe. It's on my nose. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Yeah, you little fucker. Kill birds. Okay. I'm ready. Freak out. Ew, I hear them tweeting. I think there's a nest somewhere. Oh God. I'm still here. I can't breathe. I'm fogging up. I got my bag. Oh my God, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my God. Listen up, little monkey. You better get better. I can't be doing shit like this. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. Oh, Lord, help me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know if I can do this with my computer. You're just gonna have to settle for my hand. And the yells and screams of peril. My glasses are all fogged up. Oh God. Oh my 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 God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! There you go, monkey. I raised some money for you. I can't breathe either. Freaking gross! Did you see its leg? I thought it was gonna pop off. There you go. Challenge 1 completed. What else will Super do for Monkey? Learn how to stop our computer? Yeah, probably. Oh my God, I just put it in my mouth. Just in case you missed that, I took off my fucking glove with my mouth. The glove that touched that freaking bird! If I die of West Nile virus, well, I would really like a funeral that's kind of bright and light, and I'd like Chief to give a poem telling everyone how much she admired me and couldn't keep up with me. I would like Princess to stand by my casket and still carry my Hermes bag. And then I would like Jen Fab, who's my Biff Stub. I would really like her to, I'm not really sure, maybe she can like make a new iPhone app about me, like the super app or something. And last, Melissa, Mommy's in the bathroom. If you can just get her to appear, that would be like magic. So I hope that raised some money for Miss Little Monkey. And I am going to assume that you all will come through with some more challenges for me, because I rock up.